OET 2.0 day 1 orientation, Edu India 6 batch. We will be getting into the basics, but then it's very, very important. And if you have already attempted the exam, you will know why you haven't scored good in your exam. Okay. And when you take the self-assessment form, maybe weekly submission of self-assessment, there was one old one. Don't take it, okay? Old one, this is the old one, don't take it. Where you have reading, listening, writing, speaking together in a page, that is the old version. In the new version, you have only reading or listening in one page, first page. I'll show you that one. This is the one, okay, where you have to write the day. Day is mentioned already there. First day, second day, third day, first week, first day, second day, third day, and the score. What is your score? Part A. Out of 20, what is your score? Time taken. How many minutes did you take? You have to write this at the end. Total score divided by 6. That is the average score. 6-day score divided by 6. You have to mention here. And the total time divided by 6. That you have to mention here. So you have a clear idea. You get a clear idea. That's why we make you to do this. And it helps us to assess. As soon as I look into the whole things, average scores, I can assess you where you are standing, where you require some assistance. Okay. So this is the second page where you have certain tasks to be done. Learning activities, my participation in the learning process. Second page of the self-assessment form, which I'll be explaining in brief. Learning activities in the second page, daily task completion. That we will have to tick and give the details. Participation in the daily discussion. For example, you could not participate in a task. There is a column where you can give the details. You can say maybe you are sick or because you are not able to cope up with the task or any reasons you can mention there so that we know what are your challenges. If possible, we'll customize the whole process. And participation in the daily discussion that I've told you. This is what learning activity consists in the second page, or the second page of self-assessment form includes these aspects where you have to tick yes or no, at the same time give the details. Third one, completing daily reading and listening challenge. They have to ask, did you complete daily listening challenge? Yes. If no, no. Okay. If you have some details, we can give in the next column. Daily polls and membership for EduSkills support group. Are you a member of EduSkills support group? This is to be done every weekend. Register your full name with EduSkills 895-137-4393. That is OET, exclusively EduSkills OET number. Now, how do you know whether you have registered your number? If you are getting personal messages, if you are not getting for next 1 week any personal message from me or from EduSkills in your personal chat, WhatsApp chat box, you are not registered. So you'll have to register sending the full name. First name and surname, because if you say Divya, there will be hundreds of Divyas in the platform. So first name and surname to this number so that your name is registered. Otherwise, definitely you can go on without registering, but you may not get many of the informations in your personal WhatsApp, or you may miss some of the sessions, all those things. And seventh one, download the EduSkills app, My Institute for Apple, and otherwise EduSkills app. You have to download the application. Download the EduSkills app. When you download, definitely as you go through, if you love our platform, you can give a testimonial over there that will help us to reach many more people. Okay, in the EduSkills app, you have all the videos, study materials, step by step. When you reach any batch, when you enter any batch, you will get all the materials systematically. You need not search anywhere. And eighth one, publishing your testimonials in the EduSkills app. That's why I mentioned. And subscribe EduSkills YouTube channel. And you should be generous and have the charity to support other groups. We have 7, maybe today, that means we'll post it in the main platform as well as in your group. See that you just subscribe, even if you're not watching. We have EduSkills in 7 languages, like we have in Malayalam, different YouTube channels. We have just enter and subscribe and say best wishes or give a thumbs up so that we can reach out to many. So we help out in many languages for the beginners to assist them. Some of them not at all competent to follow English videos or those things. So try to subscribe. It's not one channel. English is one channel. There are many other 6 language channels. So it will be a great help to reach out. If you can just subscribe, you don't lose anything. Just subscribe and give a blessings and wishes over there, one sentence or one word. Okay. Daily learning feedback, I already explained. So I'm going through the second page, okay, just to give you an idea since you're beginners. The 11th one, learning feedback in the EduSkills YouTube comment space. I told you there is easy access for me. I will respond to personally look into all the concerns and feedbacks. By looking at your feedback, I can understand what are our challenges, and we will be customizing our next sessions as accordingly. Okay, so in the comment space, even if you give the feedback in the main platform, as admin Arya informed you in the earlier, you can keep somewhere it saved in a folder, and you can just copy and paste in the comment space, so that those who are not in our platform also will read and benefit if they don't understand something in the video. And 13, interaction edu skills Facebook page. We have a Facebook page. Try to, and also yesterday we have started, admins have started a Twitter page that we have not added here. Definitely, please support in the Twitter as well as EduSkills Facebook page. 14th, adding OET aspirants to EduSkills Telegram group. Now, I need to tell you the importance. Dr. Ujjola has shared her experience. See, she feels so disappointed she reached so late to this platform. Let everybody start here systematically. You know, it's very difficult for us. It's really challenging to unlearn the process when you have practiced in a wrong way. So if you can start practicing here, we don't restrict you joining any of the groups. Definitely you can join any institutions. There is no issue. But then see that you start with a strategy. Then you practice in any institution. Definitely that will help you. Okay, so try to add. That's why we have each one reach one mission. Try to add at least one person in a day. And there is a video guiding you how to add people. So anybody you can add, so that you are supporting one person, one family, or generations. As I told you, if you are by mistake or by accidentally you added someone who is very struggling, financially struggling, or depressed after so many attempts, and when they pass, you know, if they are from a financially struggling family, they go abroad to other countries, they will get a better proposal, and you can see their children growing up in a better financial condition. So you are liberating generations, not one candidate, one aspirant. So please do that, and make EduSkills logo as your DP at least on Sundays. The logo says free OET training, because I get thousands of messages asking how much does it cost in your platform for one module? How much does it cost it for all the 4 modules? So how can I answer all these questions? So at least make a DP at least on Sundays. Other days also you are welcome to make it as a DP, or in a WhatsApp status or WhatsApp DP, so that people know it's a free platform. Okay. 16th, like the comments from other aspirants, and if needed, reply at the YouTube comment space. At the YouTube comment space, somebody is asking for some concerns. If you know the concern, please answer in the reply there. You can click and answer it, or just like them when they give you feedback, or just they are asking, how can I join this platform? Just paste the main platform link over there, all these things. Yes. Watch the videos without skipping, write down strategies and consistent practice. You know, when I take so much pain and struggle to present this, prepare these PPTs and present the videos and edit the videos, all these things I'm doing personally, because it's a free platform. To edit one video, you require 10 to 15,000 rupees. If I am employing somebody or getting it done through someone else, a professional. So yeah, I'm spending so much time. So see that you watch the videos without skipping. And we don't go on monetization practice or any of those things. Whatever the monetization, if it happens, that also being used for helping the poor health professionals to assist themselves to write exam or defer the exam dates, other aspects. Write down strategies and consistent practice. You just watching the video will not help you much. Write down the strategies as you listen to and practice consistently. And try to see, open the video only when you have time to watch it completely once at a stretch. That will help your competency. And 18, participation as student faculty. You know, you can help us as a student faculty. When you're competent, you can assist the beginners. There are so many people who are doing that, and you can find so many of their videos as well. Just teaching someone will help you 100%, 90%, I tell you. Teaching, speaking out or teaching will be equivalent to practicing 50 times by yourself. So participate, sorry, it's not participated, participate in the video challenge, but it is written in your, what you call, in your self-assessment, it is written participate in the video challenge, yes or no. So participate in the video challenge means you can create a video of whatever you have understood or you feel this particular aspect will be so useful for other aspirants or people at large in the world, those who are struggling to crack OET. Your learning you can put into a video. Either we will assist you to record it in the Zoom, or you can just use your phone and always see that you don't put it this way, capture it this way, capture in landscape mode, and please send it to us. We will definitely edit and post it. That will be a great help. That will also give you conviction and clarity in your learning. And last one, availing all EduSkills services. We have explained to you about EduSkills services. Competency requires to avail all these, go through all these services because they are all systematically, scientifically organized. If you participate here and there, we cannot confirm or we cannot assure the quality. And this is the third page of the this one self-assessment form. This includes 27 platforms, links, all the YouTube, everything. You can just see the third page. You can just open when you are free, just open as a charity. Just spend 2 or 3 minutes is enough for you to click on that link and subscribe the channel. Okay. Or give a thumbs up or write a word of blessing over there. Whoever comes there, everybody's blessing, whether you are a nurse or a doctor or even I tell you, even a beggar can bless me. Every human heart filled with gratitude, filled with the love, your blessing will be a definitely blessing for the platform and for the thousands of people reaching that platform. So always see that you bless them all. Okay. And what are the things expected from the participants? In short, maybe live Zoom sessions, you have to attend the live Zoom sessions because that's a part of learning. Without that, I want to tell you, just watching the videos, may see offline sessions will help you maybe 90%. If you have some offline sessions, as once in a while we have 2-day seminars. Online Zoom sessions, this will help you maximum 60%. And videos will help you maximum 30 to 40%. Don't think that watching videos will definitely, no, it will not. That's how the learning capacities or learning abilities are functioning. And punctuality in Zoom sessions and otherwise, consistency and discipline is required in the sessions and participation. In the Q&A session, you need to participate so that you build up your confidence. So these Zoom sessions are really customized as per the need of your batch. And learning feedback. So punctuality, consistency, discipline, participation, and learning feedback. These 5 things you should mind. Finally, we will be promoting to a real batch in the application after we observe you and screen you to see whether you are serious learners. So participation, learning feedback, participation in Zoom sessions, and at the end of Q&A sessions and all areas in the platform.